Hey, how's it going? Silas Haig here, and in this video I want to go through some handy little proofreading and writing tools that are all free that you can start using today. These are ones that I use quite regularly, so I'll just go straight into it and show you them all. So the first tool is Capitalize My Title. It's just capitalizemytitle.com. And it just basically makes title capitalization easy, because I know sometimes it can be a little confusing with all those little words. What do you capitalize and what don't you capitalize? And also different style guides have slightly different variations of what you should and shouldn't do. So you can see here all the different variations. So you literally just type or paste in your title and it'll just show you, it'll just convert it automatically for you there, which is quite handy. And you can just click on the different ones. And obviously for this title, it's the same. So that's just really handy. If you're flicking between different style guides, or if you're just not sure on a word and you just want to throw the title in, it just makes it a lot easier. The next tool is the OneLook dictionary search. So this is just OneLook.com, and it's literally just a search, and it just combines a lot of different dictionaries into one online resource. So with some clients that I work with, they have like a preferred dictionary, but others don't. So if it's like a strange word, or if it's a word with different variations, what I do is I go on here and I type in the word, and it can kind of verify which is the more common spelling, and then I'll just go with that one. So for example, one I came across the other day was backseat without a space. And it says here there's 20 dictionaries with that definition, whereas backseat with a space only had 16. So that just shows you that the first variation is more common, and so that's the one I stuck with. So yeah, it's just a handy little one just to show you, and you can kind of like look at different dictionaries and all sorts like that. And there's a medicine dictionary and all sorts of other things, so quite handy. The next tool that I use quite frequently is Grammarly, and that's just grammarly.com. And that's just, it's just like an online tool just to help detect errors in grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Now, I've made a couple of detailed videos before about its pros and cons, and why it'll actually never replace a proofreader. But it is really handy. It's handy when you're browsing, when you're sending emails, if you're on social media, as like a last minute checker on something, or if you just want to test yourself, or if you're writing small pieces that you don't need a proofreader for, but like everyone needs a proofreader, but this is just kind of a handy tool just to help you out with that as well. And it's actually got a Chrome plugin that you can use. So yeah, as it says here, use it across emails, messages, Google Docs, social media. It's just quite handy for if you're just typing things quickly or something like that. Now, the last tool is the Hemingway Editor, where it's called the Hemingway app. And that's just hemingwayapp.com. Now, this is just a fantastic tool. This is more for if you're actually writing, or if you're copy editing or something like that. So if you're writing a piece of like a long email or something like that, where you want it to want your writing to be bold and clear, as it says, I recommend just pasting it in here and seeing the suggestions. First of all, it gives you like a readability score, and this is just an example of some of the text and some of the suggestions that it can give you. So it'll highlight different things like lengthy or complex sentences, or just really dense sentences. Maybe words that you could use a much more simpler word, adverbs, and using the passive voice, and just things that basically just make your writing clearer, bolder, and more simple. So very useful. I use this all the time. So yeah, there's just some simple tools that I use a lot, handy, and I just keep them just like in a folder or something like that, and then you can just refer to them whenever you need them. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you got some value from that. So if you want to see more of these kind of videos, comment below with what you'd like to see more of, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.